Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to export your videos in HD quality using CapCut so they look crisp and professional. And here's how to do it. Once you've finished editing your videos in CapCut, tap the export icon in the top right corner and it looks like an arrow pointing up. Before exporting, check your resolution and frame rate at the top of the screen. Then for the HD, set the resolution to 1080p or even 2K or 4K if available. Then here set the frame rate to 30 FPS or 60 FPS for smoother playback and tap export. The CapCut will render your video in high quality. And once done, the video is saved to your gallery and ready to share. And that's how you export your videos in HD from CapCut. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!